Yeah.
So how do you go about building that?
I would say there's no process to design. What I figure is with the team, we look at the project that we are briefing. Sometimes we listen to the brief. Design is really strategic in Grohe, so we have the chance to reframe the questions. As long as we can create something that follows them, I think then they get excited. There's a couple areas I would say I want to make it bigger sustainably and find accessible points where we can make a big difference all the way up to premium solutions.
With the 3D printing, obviously at the moment it's complicated, but in the future would it be?
It'll all change.
Yeah.
It's just an adoption curve. So the more manufacturers that start using it, the costs will come down, the efficiency goes up, and then it's just a normal production process.
And this project that you're doing is
so 16,000 of our smart home product called Sense and Sense Guard. It's a water security and a water management system. We have to have more understanding of how we're using our water.
in terms of Asia, any advice that you can give?
Yeah. So Asia is extremely important to us. It seems like it changes so fast. So it's a fast-moving society. There are different markets and there are different behaviors in each market. So it's important that I spend the time with our local markets and understanding. As designers, we have to have empathy. We need to understand people. So, and the Asian market is truly inspiring.